Hi, it's Doctor Jeffery Gerdes here, your Raleigh North Carolina Chiropractor. And today I want to answer some of the questions we had asked here in the office. What is the popping? So real briefly, you have your spine, which is a series of movable joints. And what can happen is those spinal joints can move and lock and fixate out of their normal position. When this happens, pressure can build up in the spine, causing pain, headaches, sometimes some nerve irritation. So what we do as chiropractors is go back into those joints and realign them. When that happens, oftentimes there'll be an audible pop or a cracking sound. And quite simply, what that sound is gas being released from the joints. It's a combination of oxygen and CO2, and the joints sliding back into their normal position. So that's what causes the cracking and popping. Oftentimes it does relieve pressure and pain in the spine. So I hope this answered all your questions. Until next time, it's Dr. Jeffery Gerdes here, your Raleigh, North Carolina chiropractor.